Yes, my people, enough love, blessings and respect to you all. Blessed love to everyone. Godfrey is here, my people. That is it. Respect, check in. Yeah, man, see it, my people. Yeah, sun a shine bright in the background and everything. Up on this road, me do my first vlog, my people. Yeah, coming up this road, me do my first vlog. My first vlog. Yes, my people. Check it out, my people. It down in the channel there. And blessed love to everyone who have been supporting my channel. Thank you all, my people, for my 1K subscriber. Blessed love. Godfrey is on the move. So stay tuned, check in, and watch what go on. Right, my people? Yeah, man. Godfrey on the move. You see that, my people? That is it. Godfrey on the move. Yeah. Respect and blessings with people. Take a little walk with me on the track. See that? Yes, my people. That is it. Godfrey outside. Yeah, man. See it, my people. Yeah, man. Respect. Yes, my peeps, me I walk like a link up my virgin yellow bird, you know. Yeah, man, my virgin wanna say that you all see catching some bait for me. Yeah, at Producers Wharf in Port Morant. So I go link up there like me and him live in a yellow here and my people. Him just live around the road from me. So I go check in with my elder my people. That is it. So stay tuned for the journey and watch what I go on. Yes, my people. Alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, my peeps. I'm almost at the crusher. Take a look over there, my people. As you all can see, my people. Yeah, that's the crusher over there. Alright. Good. So stay tuned, my people. Alright. Godfrey outside. That is it. Alright. So walk with me upon the journey, my people. Me I go down through a little shortcut here. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. Look at that. I'm on the main road now. This road take with to Landowe, back to Kingston, back to Yallas. Yeah, Cedar Valley and all those places in the hills. As you all can see, my people. So check in. Yeah. Alright. Blessed love to everyone. Yeah, that is it. I mean, come Godfrey, don't make up your face, you know. The like say and the light shining at the sun. Love it, man. You see me? Yeah, all your face off a salute. That is it. Stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on, right? Good. Yes. This is, no, I'm good. Yeah, man. Feel some way. This is the Quarry, my people. Oh. Okay. Alright. Respect. Yeah, man. So, my people, as you all can see, that is it. Respect. You see me? Good. See it, my people. That's the Quarry over there. Yeah, the crusher. Yeah, so as you see the sign again, the Quarry, St. Thomas, Wash Stand. See it, my people. See the numbers you can call. That is it, my people. See it? So check in, my people. Yeah, man. Coast to coast Quarry. Wash sand and stone. Telephone number. Alright? That's the telephone number, my people. Check it out. Alright, and come and give the Quarry the support. Right, my people? Yes, blessed love to you all. Yeah, man, respect to everyone. That is it. Stay tuned. Godfrey, I go up on the journey, go check him, Virgin, you know. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man, I'm not give my people them one vlog in a good while. So, different looks, my people. Yeah, man, that is it. So, now say a word, Mel, I will soon check in. When me know say you want to go up on the YouTube, me can put you up on it. Alright. That is it. That is it. That is it. Respect my people. Yeah, man. See it, my people. Look at the mountain before us, my people. Look at the mountain. Look at the mountain before us. Yeah. It is a good look. That is it. Fruitful, my people. Mango trees, tambrands. Yeah. So you see it, my people. Easy well the land then can get fruitful. Look at my people. Yeah. Mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. So now watching the other part of it. Yeah. Great infrastructure. Oh, you mean? Greatness. See it? Yes, my people. That's where you do your worshiping. Good. To praise our God. Blessings. I see the ballista man, them people. Yeah, I'm not seeing no sign for the ballista man. So that is it. Good. Respect to everyone. Yes, my people, look at that. Look at that. Look there, my peeps. Look there. That is it. Out there, my people. Good. Respect. Greatness, my people. Yes, my people. See it. Be a cash stick them there, my people. But when you come build up on the land them, my people. Yeah, man. See that? Yeah. Yes, my people, come build up on the land and make the surrounding look good. Yeah, St. Thomas need more value in it. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, make we help organize and value St. Thomas, my people. St. Thomas have values, my people. Look at that. See that? Look at that, people. Blessings. That is it. Greatness. Look there, my peeps, look there. Up in the mountain, I'll be up there one day with you all, you know, my people. Yes, man. We are going to take a walk, go up there one of the day. Yeah. True. Yes. That is it. Yeah, man. Stay tuned for the trad, my peeps. Watch what I go on. See it there. Yeah, man. That is it, my peeps. That is it. Greatness over there, my people. Look at that. See it, my peeps? Different view now, my peeps. Different view. Look at that over there. Look at that over there. Yes, my people. See it? Look at that over there. See it, my people? See, you can see Yalas. You can see Yalas already, my people. That is it. Yeah. Blessings, my people. Respect. Yeah, man. Journey with me, my peeps. Journey with me. Journey with me. That is it. Yeah. Yes, my peeps. This is where you go up into that little community there. Yes. Alright. So stay tuned, my people. Journey. Alright. Take a look again. Take a look, my people. Look at that. How beautiful. Isn't it? I mean, isn't her? Cause it means she, you know, my people. It mean her, you know, my people. Yes, man. It also mean us. It mean them. A true Godfrey. That is it. Look at that. Respect. Respect. Rasta always bless it and set it, you know. Respect. Bless her, of course. Mother Nature, she is so blessed. The most blessed, my people. That is it. Look up in the valley, my people. See that? God. Alright. Alright. Jude. Oh, you mean? What does this say, my people? Look at this. What does this say? We can't see it good. We're not seeing it good enough, my people. Yeah, we're not seeing it good. But it has tell us some miles from, not a from, you know, F-R-O-M, Kingston. Alright, so 18 miles. So it look like it's 18 miles from Kingston. Or 18 miles to Kingston. One of them, my people. That is it. Alright. You know, a less than 20-minute drive from Yasser when the road fix. I chew me talk, my people. So just a half-hour drive. Right now from St. Thomas. A long time, you know, a half-hour drive from Hallas Albion here. Even less still, but just a half-hour from Hallas Albion here to see them, my people. Look over there. Greatness. Trucker come. Truck pass. That is it. Look at that, people. Higher and higher. I'm going higher and higher. Till I'll be going back down. Till I'll be going back up. So stay tuned for the epic walk, you know, my people. That is it. Good. And also the epic talk, you know, my people. How you mean? My people. John, one reason with you all, you know, my people. But it's just not the time. But we still, I mean, you know, about YouTube overall and why I want the thing to do YouTube or how me come by this. So, knowledge, my people, respect, greatness. See, my people, look what we need now. We need proper organization in the waste management thing, you know. yeah, all about in Jamaica, not only St. Thomas, being honest. But me wish someone could have seen this video and realize, say, yeah, this is a public main road. John know my people, John know, you understand. But my people, you know, I tell you, when you check it out, the government of Jamaica did go about build some rubbish heap, some rubbish, what you call them, rubbish pan on the roadside, but them build them out of concrete. My God, some of the time I pass some of these places, them overload. Till just like how there, so look my people, the rubbish heap still full and it is like that and worse. So may I ask the government and the, what you would say now, the people them who respond for the rubbish thing in Jamaica, just help out the community them now, cause you ask the people to store the rubbish and put them up. And that's then can go dispose for cleanliness of the environment. But yet still when the people them put them at the rubbish heap, at the where they say for make for put the rubbish, there is nothing to move the rubbish for a long while, for months. Some of the time them same rubbish at the same place. And it even more disgusting to the workman now. When the workman them, cause them a human being, my people, being honest. Yeah. So adjust the vibes, you see it my peeps. Alright. So them a human being my peeps. And imagine when them fi come work in a hall, then there's something there. If it did a deal with more better, you know what I mean, take up before time, that's it not stay so long. Yeah. You know, and it not scatter over the place. So it still give them more work. For them same limited amount of paycheck where them are work for. True, them are rubbish man, my people. My God, no, they are family. They are someone's children and someone relative and someone family. So me a ask, you know, who can send out this video, make this video can get a reach to somewhere, because me really want me heads of government them to really understand why me terms it like this. Because being honest, yeah, Godfrey not lie, being honest, it can do something about it, man. Cause I have passed them many places, not only in St. Thomas. I go Portland, I see it the same way. Go other places, me see it the same way. So we need more rubbish truck, Mr. Government, or Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Everyone who responds for heads of government, responds to the people, and have to take care of the people. And we really need more rubbish truck. Alright, so, and timing for them come pick up the rubbish. Cause, yeah, say if we keep Jamaica clean, we are trying to keep it clean, but yet still when we pack up the rubbish, it not moving. That help dirty up the country more. So, stick and stay, my people. Godfrey on a journey. Look at that. Look at that, my people. Look at that. See that, my people? Oh, you mean? Hills and valley. So where I come from, them, my people. Yeah, we come down here now, and we are go back here now. Yeah, so we are go up back on the hill now, almost. But we not really go so far up, so to the still, you know, my peeps. See that? Yeah. So, see them, my people. One little catchings of farming are going over there. Yeah, man, greatness. You see it, my people. Yes, greatness going on over there up on the hilltop, and you know? Yeah, man. So it look, my people. Yeah. How it look? I want land for miles. See it, my people, look. See it? Land for miles. Good. That is it. Personal, you know? Blessings, respect. See it, have a peeps. is it. Oh, you mean mangoes and akis, mangoes. Once you plant up the place now, my people, it live to be fruitful, you know. Yeah, that is it. Look at that. See it? Yeah, man. Stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on. That is it. Whole heap of young mango, sour sap, lime. See it, my people. Lime or orange. Yeah, lime or orange, one of them sour sap mangoes. Yeah. So I want to show you something, my people. Yeah, man. I want to show you all something. Look at that little mango tree there, right in front of us. See it, my people? See it? See how it little bit? And it is very loaded with blossom. And I would like you to see this mango tree when it start hold on, because if it really do hold on, it will go have a lot of little mango on it, and the limb them have to go catch up. So stay tuned, my people, watch what I go on. So as you plant them, you know, my people, within a few years time them bear. So that is it, you know. Yeah, man. Greatness. Alright. So my people, Godfrey want to invest in something like this soon. Yeah, my thief want a little piece of the man farm. Not really thief, but see my people, Godfrey want to invest in something like this soon. Yeah. Honestly. Be honest. See the mangoes there, my people. And them be small little mango trees, you know, my people. Yeah. See it. That is it, my peeps. See it, my people. Greatness, you know. Alright. Yeah, man. Got for going around the road here. Link up, my brother. Farmer man over farm there going great. See it, my peeps. See it? Water wet there. It look like a melon or a cucumber. Yes, that's what it look like. Melon, cucumber. Those type of stuff. Yes, 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 yes. Looking good, looking good. Farmer Brown! Big up! That is it. See it, my people. Oh, yeah, man. Farmer Brown, the way up deal there now, my people. You see me? Nice settings. So, anytime you see me start farm like that, my people, that is it. Then time that you know, say Godfrey fully understand farming. That is it. So take out the tips of the journey, as you all can see, my people. Yeah, it's a little breadfruit tree, this right here, so you know, my people. This little one here, so it's a little breadfruit tree. Wow. See it? It's a little breadfruit tree right there, my people. That is it. That is it. Greatness. Oh, you mean? Yes, my peeps. Stay tuned, check in. Watch what I go on. Oh, you mean? See it, my peeps? That is it. Farming I go on, you know? Yeah, man. Everywhere farming I go on. Yeah. Mango pan tree, them my people where I go past. See that? Mango in a them place there, my people. Simple as you see it, I chew me and move still. Mangoes all about over in the mango farm. Yeah, there are some of them places there and them I get bushy through, not being cared of, you know. But a people property them still my peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So it's just a matter of time for them places here look nice. See them peeps? Mango the pan tree. Mango tree, mango a blossom. See it? Yeah. That is it. Look up there, my people. See that? Mango swinging. Yeah. That is it, mango season, you know. I go on. Take time, I go on, my people. See it there. Look. Yeah, mangoes, my people. Look at mangoes. Mangoes, 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 mangoes. Look at mangoes, my people. That is it. Whoa. May I eat two today or one? Look the people. The people will get a surprise. Look at that. Yeah. The one on the road. I feel with them one of the people and drop it out with car and then something there. When we are past, so the one here is our own. Thanks. That is it. They know some mango really arrive up. They look so to me. You see them people? Yeah man, very beautiful. See it? Yes. Yes, my people. Good. That is it. Yeah, man. See it, my people? Yeah, man. Nice mangoes. These are called common mango or eerie mango. So, stick and stay, my people. Stay tuned. You see, Godfrey have to grab a few mango, you know, my people. Look, as you all can see. Look. See it, my people? Wow. You see it, my peeps? Put in the bag side and go and pretty up some more. Yeah, man. So, stay tuned for that, my peeps. Good. Beautiful. Yeah, respect, you know. Yeah, man. So that is it, my people. Stay tuned, watch where I go and Godfrey I go look two mango. So I have to go get one piece of tall stick and joke off to one thing. I have to go just rest down my bag a little bit too. Alright, so stay tuned for that, my people. That is it. Yes, my people, blessings. Blessings, blessings, blessings to everyone, my people. That is it. Godfrey want two mango. What do you mean? Blessings meantime again, my people. People, darling up, don't. Yeah, man. That is it. Look at this. We can't. We can't catch. You see that? What do you mean? That we can't catch, man. Too much joy if you catch you, you know, my people. Yeah. Cha-cha. Put them in peace. I sometime, I tell you. Come here. I said, God bless you, this man. Greatness, Mother Nature, bless. You know what I mean? I'm the soil, you know. Come here. I'm going to jump. I'll show you something. Man, the green one picking on my face. go on, man. Something go on here. Something go on, my people. Something go on. Yes, I am. Mango, I'm out here. I'm picking it up. 1 minute, my people. Stay tuned. 1 minute. Step on the journey again. That's where I look. One mango. Brown here, sir. Come like me on the can catch when the people are after me. You know, that's it. So I go on. And after the mango, I am back. That's it, my people. Get active and all the catching in our people. See that? Alright, madam, we're not active yet. Something behind my people. Yes, again. That is it, my people. Blessings and respect. Yes, my people. So I get whole heap of mango, my people. Yeah, man, God forget whole heap of mango. Now, for grateful and give thanks. That is it. See it? Good. You out on the road, you know, my people. I want yeah, yeah. Yeah, to on the people. Watch how I go and adjust myself. Yes, my people. May I go load up some move, you know? That is it, my people. Yeah, man. Man, go a drop behind me there, my people. What you mean? My people, look for me, my camera stand here now again. See it? Camera stand, you know, my people. Yeah, man, camera stand. Push it in at the bottom of me camera stick. You all soon get a glimpse of that. Yeah. That is it. Mango just drop that one I go there then. Yeah, and I walk it in the end. So that is it, my peeps. Yeah. So nice mangoes pan tree and thing. So stay tuned for the journey. Greatness. Yes, my people. Sorry about the moving up and down there. That is it. See it, my peeps? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. A greatness. Alright. Road to Riverside to my people. Yeah. That is it. Be a farming, my people. You ask me, that's my people who man go through out the road and when they get for sure, it see it back at the fence, my people, it now over the fence. So can't stop and pick two mango. Yeah, man. Respect. So blessings, my people. Stay tuned, check in. Alright. Yes, my people, that is it. Check in, Yeah, man, with Godfrey and my brother, my elder yellow, my elderly yellow. That is it, the great yellow bird. Yes, my people. You all know yellow bird from up at the fishing, place.
Yeah, man.
You see that? Good. So, alright, that we are dealing with my people. Yeah. So stay tuned now for the epic round, cause you don't know, say, yeah, with the yellow farm. Yeah, man, go drop off a tree, my people, so I need to check in. Look at that, my people. Look on the ground there. Look, as you all can see, this is Julie mango, my people. Yes, my people, you see this? This one is ripe, Can see through the skin and also this one. Right, my people? Okay, that is it. And look there, my people. Yeah, man, me there here, man, with the great man, where I get with things them sort out. Yes, cause good. We are going with one little party in the day officially, What you mean? Cause so we stay enough food to eat. Yes, yellow boss. Yeah. Good. So that is it, my people. We soon check in officially. Yeah, man. We soon check in officially, That is it.